Watch the video until the end to boost your libido. Forget about those harmful blue pills. This natural solution is better for your health. It's a little blue pill that will get you going, perfect for men and women alike, reigniting that sexual desire that's been missing. If you've been feeling tired, sad, and lacking sexual drive, this 100% natural recipe is what you need. Men will feel more vigorous, and women will transform into tigresses. Did you know that an intense 20 to 30-minute lovemaking session burns about 90 calories? This drink enhances immunity, serotonin, and melatonin production, reduces inflammation, and improves circulation, benefiting both mind and body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of lovemaking, not just a quick session. I'll share substances backed by scientific evidence that are effective aphrodisiacs. These herbs and plants reduce inflammation, enhance sexual performance, improve blood flow to intimate areas, and act as natural Viagra. Unlike pharmaceutical Viagra, which only affects circulation and can be dangerous for your heart, this natural drink has antioxidants, vitamins, and produces testosterone, increasing desire. Consume it in moderation. Overuse can lead to discomfort and overly heightened arousal. Here's the recipe. Boil 500 milliliters of water. Once boiling, add the ingredients and let it steep. Start with Peruvian maca, known for its vasodilator properties and immunity-boosting antioxidants. Add Tribulus terrestris, which enhances libido and testosterone production, with just a shallow spoonful. Include a bit of ginseng, rich in ginsenosides, to boost energy, mood, and physical and mental disposition. It also improves circulation in intimate areas. Next, add katwaba, a well-known aphrodisiac that enhances energy, physical health, and mental well-being. Let the mixture boil for 5 minutes, then let it steep for 20 minutes before straining. Drink 250 milliliters in the morning and 250 milliliters at night for 15 days max. Additionally, eat a small piece of watermelon daily for its aphrodisiac properties and antioxidant benefits. Enjoy this drink for its health benefits, reducing inflammation and boosting energy. Only use it for 15 days at a time, and feel free to share your experience. For better results, ensure you have restorative sleep and consider taking omega-3 and melatonin. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this video for the benefit of others. Cheers to your health.